Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your home screen clock on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Samsung S25 Ultra now allows full customization of the home screen clock, so you can change font, size, layout, and placement. So you might be thinking, what is the customization all about? So well, this is about a clock. So say for example, if I add a clock widget here, as you can see in the clock widgets, you only have these options for your clock widgets. So you can add a digital clock. You can even add an analog clock. So these are just boring Samsung widgets. So in order to jazz up your home screen, I've added a new widget, which is right here. As you can see, it fills up the whole screen and it makes your screen more aesthetic. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Play Store, search for the following app called DG Clock. So we need to go ahead and download this widget called the DG Clock widget. Now we'll go ahead and open it. And now this will allow you to customize your clock. So here is an example. This is the widget which you're going to add. We can go ahead and tap on time settings and you can go ahead and customize all this. So you can show seconds as well, or you can hide the seconds. You can show a 12-hour clock. You can have the alarm clock. You can have vertical centering. You can have all these different settings. If you go back, you can go ahead and customize the time color, the font, the color of the time, the color transparency. You can enable outlines as well, and you can set all these different settings. So now once you're done customizing this and going through all these settings, you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you can go ahead and choose all these different widgets you can add. So let's go ahead and add this 2x1. Now it's been added, so we'll go ahead and increase its size. So as you can see, you have a widget which is looking much better than your normal widget. So here I'll go ahead and just delete this and we'll go ahead and compare it with the Samsung widget. So as you can see, this is a Samsung widget and this is the Digi Clock widget. So this basically matches your clock to your theme, wallpaper, or mood. A widget which basically fits up the whole screen and it basically makes a big visual impact on your home screen. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your home screen clock one more step further.